Hello everyone. In this video, I am talking about the drug development and design. Not every compound is tested in a laboratory is a market, but before is a marketed, it goes several stages of development is called as a drug development. The drug development is a very slow process because of the candidate drug is examined at every stage of development by a regulatory authorities of various countries before the drug launched in a market. According to the Pharmaceutical Research and a Manufacturer of America, Pharma Industry Trade Group of America, the range between about 12 to 15 years to develop a new drug. The drug development and discovery is a very long process. For one drug, it takes 20 years for a drug patent. In that, the drug development includes the various stages such as preclinical trial and clinical trials. In this process, the drug development and discovery takes 2 to 10 years. Then they goes to preclinical trials, preclinical research and development. In that, the preclinical studies on the animals. In that first step, the initial synthesis of a substance. Then they goes to the laboratories testing on animals. Then this is submitted to Institutional Review Board. It takes 3 to 5 years of a period. Then after preclinical trial, it is submitted to investigational new drug applications. The investigational new drug applications, in that the sponsors files the IND with the regulatory authority to getting a approval for it is testing in humans. Then after the IND submission, the phase of clinical trials. In a first clinical trials, there are 4 stages: the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. In that, the clinical trials, the research and development of the approved by the Institutional of Review Board. In that, the phase 1, the testing of a drug in healthy volunteers. It includes the small number of healthy volunteers such as 20 to 100. Then in this phase, to ensure the drug is a safe. Then it moves to next is the phase second. In this phase, the testing in a healthy volunteers such as 20 to 300. In this phase, to ensure the efficacy of the drug product. Then it moves to the phase 3. The phase 3 the large scale testing in individuals with the diseases. It includes the 300 to 3000 or a 1000 the healthy volunteers. It takes a 6 to 7 years. Then this after the phase 3 clinical trial, it is submitted to New Drug Application FDA. The FDA reviews the new drug applications. Then the FDA expects the review data. Then the company addresses the FDA review. Next is the advisory hearing may be called. It takes 1 to 2 years after the Food and Drug Administration approval for the new drug. Then it goes to next phase, means a clinical trial phase 4. It is also called as a post-marketing surveillance. In that phase, the manufacturing of a new drug, in that the drugs appears on the market. Then it shows the post-marketing surveillance and follows the studies and infections for the new drug. This is a process of drug development and design. Thank you.